Today is Monday, January 20th, 2020. I'm at 3151 Spottswood Avenue, standing on a 3-tab composition shingle. We have one layer with felt, does not have drip edge. We have a 3.6/12 here on this back left offset. Don't see any storm damage here. We do have a few ladder marks across the eave. Exposed fasteners, the pipe jack. We also have sealant applied at this wall and this pipe jack. A little bit of deterioration on the system itself here. Moving up into a 10-12 here. Again, sealant on this wall. 3 creased tabs here. We have 3 layers here on this dormer. And something about this dormer, it's a 2.5/12, so it's not pitched deep enough to have shingles on it without an underlayment. Tightening the rows, doubling over the felt. It does appear that our leak is coming from this pipe jack, although we do have a large temporary here. Very likely coming from this pipe jack that's not flashed into the upmost layer. And again, this is pitched too low to have shingles on it, so a couple things wrong here. Anytime a protrusion is going through even just one layer and it's not flashed perfectly, and it's on a slope that's not steep enough to tread the water, then you're looking at problems. And then, of course, not being flashed into this upmost layer, it can kind of just sink underneath and catch the problems that were underneath. But didn't see any damage underneath this tarp. A couple ladder marks here on the right end, as well as 1, 2, 3, 2 broken, 1 creased here. And then on our front slope, it does appear to face north. We did not see any signs of hail damage to the soft metals, but we did see some impacts here, 4 on the right end of that rake. Well, that is the roof. We're going to tack this back down quietly before we leave. I do believe they have a baby sleeping inside, but tack this down before we leave. And but that is the roof, and that will conclude this inspection.